Hello scholars and researchers. I am Dr. Aamarpali Roy and today I am going to show you how to effectively use ResearchGate to share your research, grow your academic network and improve your scientific impact in 2025. Even if you are new, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy to get started. Let's start. First is, what is ResearchGate? ResearchGate is a professional network where over 20 million researchers worldwide share publications, ask questions, collaborate, and track their research impact. Why researchers should use it? Increase visibility of their work, find collaborators, get feedback and citations, stay updated with the latest publications in the field. How to create a ResearchGate account? Step by step, first go to researchgate.net, sign up with a university email or professional email, fill out your profile completely, write educational experience, research interests, upload a professional profile photo. Let's learn how to upload your research to ResearchGate. First, click on Add New button at the top of your profile. You will see multiple options. Select research article if you want to upload a published paper or a preprint. Choose conference paper if you have presented at any academic event. Upload your thesis or dissertation if it's complete and publicly shareable. You can also add data sets to showcase your raw research data. While uploading, always fill in the details accurately, like the title, abstract, authors. Important tip: wherever possible, upload the full text PDF of your publication. Sharing full text increases your visibility, citation chances, and academic impact. However, always double check your publisher's policy to avoid copyright issues. Now let's explore some powerful features inside ResearchGate that can boost your academic journey. Projects. Use the projects feature to showcase your ongoing research. You can post updates, preliminary findings, and even request collaborations from other researchers. Question and answers. ResearchGate isn't just for posting papers, it's a living community. You can ask research questions or help answer others. This builds your academic presence and trust within your field. Stats. Keep an eye on your profile statistics, including reads, citation, and recommendations. Monitoring your stats help you understand which topics attract more attention. Following researchers. Grow your network by following researchers working in your area. You will receive updates whenever they publish new work, opening doors for collaborations and learning. Let's understand few essential tips to optimize your ResearchGate profile. Keep your profile updated regularly with new skills, positions, and publications. Share every new publication, prompt to maintain visibility. Engage monthly by answering at least a few questions. It builds authority. Join discussions in relevant topics to widen your academic circle. Post project updates. Even a small progress note shows you are active. Link your ORCID ID and Google Scholar profiles to strengthen your professional credibility. Consistent engagement on ResearchGate can significantly boost your academic footprints over time. Now let's explore some powerful features inside ResearchGate that can take your academic journey to the next level. Projects. Use projects feature to showcase your ongoing research. This allows you to share updates, early findings, and invite collaboration from other researchers in your field. Think of it as a digital research notebook to keep your network in the loop about your latest work. Question and answers. ResearchGate isn't just for posting paper, it is an interactive platform. You can ask questions when you hit a roadblock in your research and answer others' questions too. Not only does this help you solve problems, but it also boosts your visibility and builds credibility among your peers. ResearchGate provides you with valuable statistics to track how your work is being received. You can monitor your read citation and even recommendation from other researchers. These metrics help you gauge the impact of your research and adapt your approach accordingly. Following researchers, growing your academic network is key to success, and ResearchGate makes it easy. By following researchers in your field, you will stay updated with their latest publication and can start meaningful conversation. It is a great way to start collaborations and keep your fingers on the pulse of the academic world. Tip to boost your ResearchGate profile. Understand few essential tips to optimize your ResearchGate profile. Keep your profile updated regularly with new publications, research topics, and skills. This makes your profile look fresh and active, which encourages more engagement from community. Share every new publication prompt. Even if it is a small paper or a preprint, share it on your profile. It will increase your visibility and attract more opportunities. Engage by answering a few questions monthly. By participating in discussion and solving doubts, you will build a reputation as a valuable member of the academic community. Join discussions in your area of expertise. This shows your involvement and helps you connect with other researchers who share similar interests. Write short project updates regularly. Updating your projects help you maintain momentum and lets others know about your latest research. Finally, don't forget to link your ORCID ID and Google Scholar profile to your ResearchGate account. These links enhance your credibility and make your work more discoverable across different platforms. Consistent engagement on ResearchGate can significantly boost your academic presence and professional impact over time. Stay active, stay visible, and watch your network grow. And that's how you can fully utilize ResearchGate to advance your research career. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment or a question below. Also, follow me on a ResearchGate. Link is given in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.